how to change your needle. So this little screw right here is all that's holding your needle. So, and then also my needle, it's not broken or anything. It doesn't really need to be changed. So I feel like we should look at it a little closer. If you go straight down, you kind of just have a post, and then all of a sudden there's this little indentation that I will zoom in on. This indentation, as I sit at the machine's facing towards my right hand. It's right above the eye of the needle, the hole. That little indentation, they call it a scarf. And that's to kind of tell us what direction our needle should be facing. So let me zoom in on that for you. Okay, so hopefully you can see it's kind of straight, and then all of a sudden there's a little scarf. Again, when you're sitting at the machine, that scarf faces towards the right, so that way you know which direction to put in the needle. And again, we thread our needle with thread from the left towards the right. So to take the needle out, you just get a screwdriver. They're supposed to be in your drawers. If there's not one in your drawer, check your neighbor. But Lefty Lucy will loosen it, and I don't need to keep turning it until the screw falls out. Usually just a little's enough. And then you can just pull it right out. And then you get your new one, and you put it back in. You push it up all the way, as high as it can go. And sometimes you have to hold it so it doesn't slide out. And then you just take the little screwdriver and do righty-tighty. Get it in as tight as you can, and double check that the scarf is facing towards your right. And that's really it. It's pretty easy to fix a broken needle.